Hi there, students. You remember Mickey Mouse? Well, Mickey Mouse had a dog called Pluto. But Mickey and Donald also had a good friend who was a dog. And this dog was called Goofy. And Goofy is normally characterized as clumsy, dim-witted, making silly mistakes, a little bit eccentric, yeah? Okay, so Goofy's a bit silly, a bit crazy. And let's see, if you describe somebody as goofy, yeah, you're saying they're a bit silly, they're a bit strange, yeah, they're not very smart, they're silly and ridiculous. So he was wearing a goofy t-shirt or a goofy hat, or he had a goofy smile on his face. That's a really goofy idea. Is silly, stupid. Goofy as well is where the teeth are sticking out, not straight. And if you look at Goofy, his teeth aren't straight. Okay, so Goofy, a bit crazy, a bit silly, a bit stupid. I like him. He's nice, but he's a little bit goofy. Yeah. He's a nice guy, but a bit goofy, a bit silly, but in an amusing way. Yeah. So harmlessly eccentric. Yeah. Having this crooked front teeth, a goofy grin on his face. Okay, so don't be goofy, don't be silly, don't be ridiculous, don't be so ludicrous. Yeah, he smiled at me goofily. He's always getting goofy ideas and then he gets into trouble. Okay, so if you describe somebody as goofy, you think they're a bit silly, a bit ridiculous, yeah? You're saying that, well, a bit crazy, yeah? Come on, don't be so goofy, be more sensible. Yeah, so goofy, having the characteristics of a goof. Yeah, a goof is a mistake, an error. So I made a goof in that. Yeah, I made an error. I made a faux pas. Yeah, so this was it was a bit of a goof. It was a bit of a goofy thing to do. But goofy, it has this idea of a bit silly, a bit crazy as well. Let's see, goofy, formality. This is a fairly informal word. I'm going to give it a 4 informality. Use it in informal English, in a semi-formal conversation, definitely. A goofy smile, a goofy idea. Maybe just in a semi-formal writing as well, but certainly no more. And as to origin, let's see. There's an Old English word, gaff. Base, gegaff, buffoonery, or goffen as well, speak frivolously. So maybe it's related to giddy, goffin as well. Okay, so yeah, in Italian, goffo, or Spanish goffo as well. A bit wacky, a bit zany, yeah, a bit crazy. So goofy, yeah, is a bit wacky, a bit crazy. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, give it a goofy rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Goofy.